11 things that rich people do which poor don't. Hello WWO family, the place where future millionaire comes to get inspired. If you haven't subscribed yet, you are missing out. Subscribe now. And welcome to a slightly different video. In this video, we are going to cover some actions that the rich take and the poor neglect, either because they don't have the knowledge or simply don't want to. Generating wealth is the combination of factors, and the items will be mentioned in this list. Although we may not guarantee your success, we will greatly improve your chances to success. We recommend watch our both video and the others ones at least couples of months, because you never know which part of the video will trigger your success and realization about your life. Let's go to the 11 things that rich people do, the poor don't. Number 1. Rich people read a lot. Here is an interesting fact. Did you know the top CEO in the world read at least 50 books per year? You know how many books the average person reads per year? Average is 1.5, and it's usually fictional romance. What if we told you you can gain access to all the things the person learned from their entire life, learn from their mistakes, and understand what makes them successful in just couples of days or even hour? How incredible would be? Well, you can read book, my friend. Reading, especially for self-development purposes, still incredible underrated. No matter what your passion is, you can learn from the great of your field and not stop there. Read the success story from the different niches, because you never know, some successful people story might spark your own journey. So next time you wondering while the top CEO earns 10, 20 or 50 times more than you, remember that while you busy staying with some, they continuously educate themselves. Number 2. They sacrifice present for the future. Rich people start earlier. How earlier? As earlier as possible. The best moment to start your journey was 10 years ago. The second best is yesterday. The third best is right now. Because of their education and the amount of success, they understand the things just not happen overnight. So best are grinding. They sacrifice the present and invest in most important things that they have on their side time into their goals. While the poor go partying, the rich hustles. While the poor watch TV, the rich read self-development book. While you pretty much time investing doing nothing, the rich invest their time into their crafts. We all have same 24-hour per day. Beyond Bezos have same 24-hour per day. They just use it differently. So don't expect the same result. Find what they are doing and do something different to get the same result. Number 3. Rich people believe that they are responsible for their own fate. Successful people are rely on themselves alone, while the poor they look for any opportunity excuses. It's because of the government, it's because of the market crisis, it's because of not good enough. Never gets the credit that I have deserved. I never get lucky. All of them bunch of bullshit. The road to success is the financial freedom. It's not an easy one. Sorry to say this. Unless you born into a rich family, you have to work yourself. Rich people don't blame others for their misfortune. They don't expect the government take care of them. They take charge of their own life and craft they want it. Something to remember: if you are not building your own life, someone else will hire you to build theirs. And 6% of millionaires are self-made in the world. It means 9 out of 10. They build their own version from scratch. Do hard work and by being smart about it. They are the masters of their own fate. What about you? It's time to make a choice. Number 4. They set financial goals. Almost every single rich person understands and set a goal. These are not "I want to build millionaire" type of goal, but more likely "I want $100,000 by the end of the year." If I am going to start journey first, that means I need to generate $274 every single day. That's around $8,250 every month. What do I need to do make happen? How much money am I currently earning? What can I do to increase my output? Or do I charge more? Do I add new product? Do I add new stream of income? Rich people tends to have achievable goals, just the little push from their comfort of zone, which demands to grow and achieve them. If you fail to reach that particular numbers at the end of year are likely to close to it. WWO have set their first year goals, second and third year goals. Here is the quick tip learned from millionaire friends. Write your short-term goals on the bathroom mirror so you get to see them every day. Write your medium goals 1 to 5 years and always keep in your wallet. Never pay with it, but you always gonna open it and you will be always remember it. Number 5. Rich sleep less than the poor. Here is the hard truth. Most people who are poor lazy. There are always expectations and special circumstances, but the majority of the poor people end up poorer because the lack of determination to escape their circumstances. Let's dive deep into this because is really important to understand what we really mean. We mean poor people are lazy. There are two types of laziness. One, people who despise work and would rather sit at home and collect welfare pumps or out children so they can use them to keep themselves alive, and maybe one of the children will be their ticket out. And the second type of lazy person is the one who know that if they invest some time into learning a new skill definitely benefits them, but they choose not to, which people are not afraid to work themselves out. The average entrepreneurs that on their way to success work at least 14 hours per day. In the beginning years, the less hour you sleep, the more hour you have to dedicate your work. Number 6. Have money work for them. This is one of the basics, and unless you understand this, there are very little chances you will ever be rich. Rich people don't make money for the purpose of buying seats or spending it. They work so hard to get money so they can make a smart investment that in the returns generate a steady flow of income. Not that much money, but welcome anyway. There are two types of people in this situation. One will take all of the money and buy a new 2020 Range Rover Sports just so they can show off their new whip. This is a depreciating asset. The second you get out of the showroom, that's 100k start going down. The amortization on a car is around 10 years, so every year the car loses $10,000 of its worth, not mentioning in the strat 20% you lose when you wanted to sell it immediately because now it's a pre-owned car. The others guys will look at acquiring and appreciating assets. For those of you that never heard that before, appreciating means growing in value depending where you live. 100k might even be enough to get yourself some real estate, rent that place out immediately, and it's start paying you money month after month. After 10 years, the place you bought not only paid you at least 100k back and rent. If you wanted to sell it, you had more than what you initially paid for it. Make money and have that money work for you. Number 7. The rich think in the terms of abundance, not scarcity. The moment you understand that there is unlimited wealth around us, your world will change. The way you look at life changes, and this is something very few people are aware of that. While poor people think there is a limited amount of wealth to go around, the rich look to innovate and create wealth where the average folks did not see anything of value or were simply unable to look beyond appearance, thinking in terms of scarcity. Scarcity is one of the major things. Their focus is on conserving what little they have for as long as possible. Guess what happened at some point? Little bit will run out. The rich think in terms of abundance. Value is continuously created and there are no limits to the amount of innovations and value one can put into the world. While the poor think of wealth is a limited piece out of which need to get themselves some breadcrumbs. The rich understand there are an unlimited supply of fish that anyone can have a piece without meaning someone else will be left. Number 9. Focus on being healthy. The only way to help others is by first helping yourself. And you can't do that if you are not physically capable. As a poor person, you have to be shocked at the amount of time, efforts, and money the rich put into maintaining healthy lifestyle. They focus on eating right, keeping their body health as possible. In addition to that, they make sure they are stronger mentally. Most millionaires we have comes across actively meditate and keep their mind always busy. Number 10. Study other successful people. Spend a good portion of your time learning about how other people got to be successful. Learn from their success and their mistakes. That's why we are doing this video. Keep learning and you are going to do so or not. Let us know in the comments. Number 11. Have mentor. Every rich person we know and have heard of has mentors. A mentor is a person who actively involved into keeping you on track. He or she is there to provide advice and help you avoid some of the mistakes they have already made. Your ability to attract quality mentor is a major differentiator between your chances of success. Do you have a mentor? Type your mentor name in the comments box. Also, don't forget to become a member of WWO. Subscribe for the future opportunity.